How to fix WhatsApp icon not showing. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some steps on how you can fix if your WhatsApp icon is not visible. So if I go here and search on my app drawer, I cannot see my WhatsApp icon. Even if I go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp, there is no option right here. But what you can do is, first I'm going to check on my Play Store and search for WhatsApp here. Once you search for it, as you can see, WhatsApp is already installed on my device, but it's not showing. Well, that is because your app might be hidden or it might be disabled. So you just want to go to your settings menu and check if it is disabled or not. Just open your settings and search for WhatsApp here on the app section. It's showing right here, so my WhatsApp is not disabled. So let's see if it is hidden or not. So I'm just going to go to my settings here and check if any apps are hidden. So as you can see, both of my WhatsApp have been hidden. I'm just going to unhide them and click on done. And now your problem should be fixed and you should be able to see WhatsApp. As you can see, now it is visible. If this doesn't work, then you can just go to your Play Store, uninstall the app and reinstall it again. I hope that fixes your problem and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.